Hey, Cowboys, neighbors, friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Derek. Welcome back to the yurt. Welcome back to the kitchen. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you've come back again, I sure do appreciate it. Today is a quick supper and a quick video. It is Salad Nicoise. As you can hear, a clock's going off. It's 4:45. Supper time's coming right up. And it's a warm day. Salad Nicoise has one very traditional origin and then a lot of variations after. So this is just my version of it. And I'm going to start off with a salad bowl. In this salad bowl, I have fork tender boiled potatoes. These are Yukon Gold. You can use white potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold. Either one will work well. They have been boiled in salted water, drained, and they're just sort of at room temperature. Room temperature works for this. What I want to do is make a salad dressing. And first I'll marinate the potatoes in the dressing, and then I'll add everything else, and Pesto Presto supper is ready. I've got a small little, my small KitchenAid food processor here. What I'm going to add into this is, about a half a cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to add probably 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I've seen recipes that call for champagne vinegar. Doesn't that sound posh? I don't have any. Some recipes call for garlic, some don't. I'm adding garlic because I think garlic is wonderful. Going to add a little bit of black pepper to it. And then Dijon mustard. There are different variations of the dressing. Some have lemon juice, some don't. I'm using red wine vinegar like Julia Child does to make for the acid in mine. Whatever flavor I think works for you will be the salad you want to make. I'm also going to add, you can add whole anchovies to your salad niçoise. You can garnish the salad with them, or you can be sneaky like I am and just add, I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of anchovy paste. I won't tell anyone if you won't, but it really does help the flavor. Okay, so that's it for the dressing. Let's see if I can remember how this little thing works. And away we go. I tell you, it came on sale on the KitchenAid website, 50 bucks, 50 bucks well spent. So, I have my dressing. There's still chunks of garlic in there. That is just fine. Many recipes also call for tarragon, fresh or dried, as an option. I think that would be wonderful. If I was using tarragon, I would leave out the garlic. And just reaching for a spatula here. Okay. So the potatoes are going to marinate in this dressing. And I'm going to put this in the fridge to cool right down with this dressing. So the dressing will absorb into the potatoes, and that's a really nice foundation for this salad. So stick around. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. See you then. Hey, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. Welcome back, folks. In the meantime, I sat down, had a beer, waiting for supper, you know. The potatoes are cooled down. They've absorbed some of the dressing. I think they're probably quite flavorful. Oh yeah, no. It's going to need a bit of salt. A key ingredient that is not up for discussion in, let me just get this can of beer out of the way, in a salad niçoise, green beans. They've been blanched for 2 minutes, then chilled in an ice bath. And I'm going to stir those in now. Traditionally, this would be arranged on a platter or on individual plates with a perhaps red leaf lettuce base, and then artfully arrange the potatoes, the green beans, the other ingredients, and then drizzle the dressing over top. An alternative way to serve it is what I'm doing, which is just mixing it together like a large salad and then serving it. Just going to grab a spoon here. Spatula wasn't really working it. So I'm going to stir the green beans in. The other ingredients are controversial only for those who get worked up about traditional recipes and what is absolutely accurate. But I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of capers. And if you have cherry tomatoes, cut those in half. I used 1 ripe field tomato. I've got some cucumber cut up, 2 diced boiled eggs. If I was arranging on a platter, they'd be quartered lengthwise and arranged artfully. And I don't know if you can tell, but my bowl's too small. I'm going to have to very carefully mix this together. And the one last key ingredient that has to go into a Niçoise, salad Niçoise, or a Nice salad is tuna. Drained tuna, preferably one that's been oil packed, because it just has more flavor. And the oil that is in this, I've drained the oil. There's a little bit left on the tuna, of course. It will help distribute the flavors all the way through. So, 1 can of tuna. When you think about it, they say this is a light meal, you know, light summer meal. This can be supper. It's got potatoes, it's got veggies, it's got protein, eggs, tuna. It's got everything you need in a meal. It's just in a salad. So I'm going to stir this together. And once I'm done with that, I will dish it up and I'll show you what it looks like presented. I will garnish it with some Kalamata olives. I don't have olive Niçoise, but whatever. Still a good meal. So join me in a couple of minutes. Hey folks, check it out. Salad Nicoise, Nice salad, made my way. Make it your way, make it anyway. It's a nice meal. It's hearty, it's filling, it's nutritious. They say it's a perfect summertime meal. Hey, have it all year round. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you again on Cooking with Derek. Enjoy.